All right. Jason, how you doing today? My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can gain more customers using your website and Google. Okay, so I'm going to get straight to the point. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks real quick. All right, I'm going to show you why you need these services, why it's important to invest into this kind of stuff. All right, and I'm going to show you how to just get more customers. All right, that's pretty much that simple. So looking at your website, the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Content is anything to do with anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. So if I save this picture right here, it should have your business name in the Save As column. Okay, so it says download. Yeah, it needs to say your business name because Google's going to go through your website and rank it based off of the content that it has. So it's got to be good content. All right. Putting your business name in there is going to increase that chance of getting us in front of more eyes, okay? Second, citations. Now you can put citations on websites like Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. Those are directories, okay? A directory is simply a website that lets a business put their information in there. So a citation is simply your business name, your address, and a phone number. Okay, so some businesses don't need a website, don't need an address because they are a service provider, so they'll go to the place in need. So that's okay. We need to get Google reviews up. You guys only have 20. All right, we need way more reviews. Okay, so get as many Google reviews as possible and get a good amount of photos, all right? Super important. Third thing, backlinks. What is a backlink? A backlink is a website with an ad in it that goes straight directly to your website, therefore bringing in more traffic. Okay, more people are going to see, more people are going to know that your website exists and that you do services. Okay, so when I typed in pest control Schenectady, New York, Google guarantees pop up. They're better than Google ads in my opinion because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So Google guarantees are worth the investment. This is the Google Map Pack. The businesses that are in here get the most calls, okay? So we need to get into the Google Map Pack as well. And as I'm scrolling down into the organic listings section, businesses start to pop up. And unfortunately, I don't see your business on the home page, the first page of Google. So we need to get your business on the first page of Google so that people can start knowing that your business exists, okay? This is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. All right, they pay Google for these numbers, so they're pretty accurate. I typed in your website. You guys have a URL rating of 11. That's how much trust that Google has in your website out of a 100-point scale, okay? The domain rating, you guys have a 3.6, all right, out of 100. That's how much power that Google gives to your website. We got to do a lot of work, okay? There's a lot of good work to be done here. If we do this the right way, we're going to get more customers, okay? I guarantee you if we implement all these steps, we're going to get more customers, okay? The business will explode, you guys. The phones will be flying off the hook, okay? This is some serious stuff, okay? A lot of businesses that I'm working with right now, they're all ecstatic right now. They're all doing great, okay? So a lot of businesses are doing this with me. This is a necessity at this point in time. Smaller businesses, ever since COVID, have been taking a gigantic hit, okay? So I'm trying to help out as many businesses as I possibly can, all right? 31 referring domains are giving you 202 backlinks, all right? So these backlinks, I can tell they're not helping you out a lot because it's keeping this number low. There is a direct correlation. Not all backlinks are created equal. We want quality, not quantity, okay? You guys are bringing in 56 people a month to your website, bringing around $200 with your website. All right, monthly. Keywords, I'll talk about those in a moment. Excuse me. This is Accurate Pest Control. Their website's all right. I like to tell my clients to get at least 1,500 words on that home page. Google, again, will rank it better. They have a 23 URL rating and a 6 domain rating. All right, so they're bringing in a little bit more money, a little bit more traffic to their website. Okay, so we kind of got to get on their level and more, way more. This is Advantage Pest Control. Again, their website is super simple. Their numbers they're doing okay. Again, they're doing a lot of stuff wrong though, keeping these numbers low. Bad backlinks. Okay, we got to get the good backlinks. Keywords. Last thing I'm going to talk about. What is a keyword? It's anything that anyone looks up on Google. Okay, so when we look at volume, this is monthly. How many people each month search up each keyword? And we want to get to the first position for each keyword. Okay, so pest control Schenectady, we want to be first for that. Okay, let's actually check out what you guys got. So ranking first for Exterminator Saratoga, which is awesome. So 60 people a month, you're getting all those. Okay, you're getting all those customers. So as you see the volume numbers add up, you start to wonder, like, what can all of these calls do for me if I'm ranking first position for everything? Every keyword, carpenter ants, fax, tick bait box, pest control center, 200, 300, 400, 500 calls, 500 extra customers a month that you guys could be getting. That's going to help your business out tremendously. So you got to think about this. You got to think about the big picture. You're the hero of the business. You got to get this stuff done, okay? Because your competition's already beating you online, okay? That's inexcusable, okay? This is something that you need to do, all right? And like I said, I guarantee you guys will get more customers if you do all these right, okay? And I know about this stuff. I can help you out, okay? We can get this going. We can get this racking up, okay? Racking up the customers, getting these people to know that Attention Pest Control exists, okay? People need to know, all right? So that's all I have for you today, Jason. Thank you for listening on this 7-minute video. I'm trying to keep these videos short, but there's a lot of information that I want to get out to you, and there's so much more information that I'd love to tell you. I'd love to talk to you more about this kind of stuff, okay? This is all super important, all right? We want more customers at the end of the day. We want to help out as many people as possible, okay? So I'm trying to help you out with, all right? Think about it. If you're not looking to work together, it's totally fine, all right? Take these facts that I have talked with you about today, these free tips, and run off with them. Do what you can with this information, and I wish the best for you, man, all right? I look forward to hearing from you. I appreciate it. Have a good one.